あつかましい. We use this when someone cuts in line or asks a big favor from a stranger. あつかましい。列に割り込む人や初対面で大きなお願いをする人に使います。It is an e-adjective. あつかましい describes someone who feels no shame, pushes past social limits, or makes presumptuous demands. 恥を感じず、人の気持ちやマナーを気にしないで、無理なことを求めたり出す様子です。The first kanji means thick and sometimes kind or warm. You see it in the word atsui for something thick. Another common word is atsa, meaning thickness. It suggests something has depth or weight, not just in size, but sometimes in feeling. He is brazen. 彼は厚かましいです。彼は厚かましいです。It's pretty brazen to ask for money, even though we've just met. 初めて会ったのにお金を貸してと言うなんて厚かましい。初めて会ったのにお金を貸してと言うなんて厚かましい。It's rude to cut in line. 列に割り込むのは厚かましいですよ。列に割り込むのは厚かましいですよ。That's too presumptuous a request. そんなお願いは厚かましすぎます。そんなお願いは厚かましすぎます。The most common synonyms of the word are zuzushi and namaiki. Zuzushi almost fully overlaps and often sounds a bit stringo in daily talk. Namaiki focuses more on cocky attitude, especially from younger people, while atsukamashi is about pushy, overstepping bolds. The most common antonym of the word is kenkyo. It describes someone who is careful and respectful of others' space, the opposite of pushing in or asking too much.